Divas, welcome back to another video. This is part 2 of prom makeup, plus getting into one of my old prom dresses. If you haven't seen part 1, I will make sure to leave that listed down below, so pause this video and definitely head over there, watch that one first, and then come back over here. Make sure you come back. Don't just leave and then don't come back. Make sure you come back, okay? You're gonna wanna see this. It's gonna be a different look. So I'm going to be using all the same products, so check out the last video because I explained what I was using on my face. The only thing that I'm going to be doing differently is adding in an eyeliner and a red lipstick, because I really wanted to go for like a classic winged liner, like really sharp wing liner, nice big lashes, and a bold red lip. Especially because this dress is going to be black, I wanted to keep it simple yet sexy in a way. I wanted a more simple look for part 1 because I had a very like princessy dress and it was very flowy, so I wanted to have more of like a light glam. This one I want it to be very bold, like a big liner and big red lips. So that is what I'm going to be doing for my makeup. So just so you guys know, if you need me speaking or you don't know what I'm doing everything the same way as last video for my face and my eyebrows. All I'm going to be doing this time is adding a dramatic wing and some red lips. Easy, right? And it's still going to look amazing for your prom if you want to, recreate this makeup look. And then I'm just going to let you know now, if you don't head over to that last video, I'm going to be using my Bellamy Gabby DiMartino hair extensions, and I'm going to be putting them in a nice big ponytail because I feel like for this dress I need a slicked back look, unlike my other one where it was, very flowy and princessy. So I'm going to stop rambling and let's just get into this video.
I recall the past again tonight. It's in the front of my mind. As I fall apart, you begin to cry. The tears are making you blind. The future's far away, but I'll stay, I'll stay. Just take a leap of faith. We'll find a way for you and me. Can't look back and run from what I feel inside. There's no more time to hide, because I feel again, I feel again. Oh, now I feel again. We're bringing this back to life. I feel it again, I feel it again, I feel it again. We're bringing this back to life. Help me find the right words to say to get us back on our way. Can we try to fight against the grain of throwing out what we made? The future's far away, but I will stay, because I feel again, I feel again. Oh, now I feel again. We're bringing this back to life. We're picking up where we left off and on again. We never quite could forget, 'cause what we got so intense.
guys, this is the completed look. I was going to do a ponytail, and then I thought, you know, I think a bun would just be more sleek with this look, but you could do anything you want. I will be having a hair tutorial with extensions very soon on my channel. I have my corsage on with my really pretty mesh bag. Crystal necklace with beautiful rhinestone earrings, because you can just never go wrong with, you know, sparkle. You know what I'm saying? It's all about the bling bling. This is a really nice shawl or scarf. You know, I'm using it as a shawl, but let's just be honest, it's a scarf. But it's really blingy because, I mean, you know me, I just love my bling. This is my first prom dress I ever wore to prom. Really nice, sleek, black dress. And then, you know, for my shoes, we don't need to show them too much because my toes ain't painted. And, you know, I'm going to the nail salon soon, so I don't want to show too much. But yeah, this is the completed look. Simple makeup, yet really pops. So you can do something simple and still have it look really good for your prom. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.